Choosing a grain cleaner? Watch this short video to find out what characterizes the best modern grain cleaner. My name is Thomas Manton, and I have been working with grain cleaners for over 10 years. I want to tell you about the Metra ADS and Metra ADS CDC grain cleaner with Cyclone dust collector, which is exclusive in the US and can triple your income if you're a farmer or are involved in the farming business. What are its advantages compared to other cleaners on the market? It works with all types of grain and can quickly switch from one crop to another. That is, you don't have to change screens and have several grain cleaners if you're dealing with different types of grain. Metra ADS CDC can do it all quickly and efficiently. On the inside, you will find a special rubber padding which prevents the grain from being harmed and split. This means that your seed quality will be better and the germination rate higher than when cleaning with conventional grain cleaners. Since there are no moving parts or lubrication points, the Metra ADS CDC is maintenance-free. Old-school grain cleaners have wear and tear, resulting in long downtime for maintenance and lubrication every 150 to 200 hours. It also cleans vomitoxin, fusarium, aflatoxin, and many other mycotoxins. Just think, this is a great opportunity to increase the value of your grain, all thanks to the cleaning, which will save it from such diseases. It's amazing. The Metra ADS CDC can be used indoors, so while your competitors are waiting for warmer weather to start their grain cleaning process, you can operate the Metra ADS cleaner in any weather, all year round. It is easily made mobile. For example, you can install your Metra ADS CDC on a trailer and use it in various locations, moving from one farm to another effortlessly. The Metra ADS CDC consumes less power. For example, a unit with a capacity of 2,000 bushels operating at maximum load consumes only 7.5 kilowatts, 29 amperes, which is several times lower than the energy consumption of conventional grain cleaners. This translates into reduced electricity bills, or it can even be powered using a regular household generator. If you're working with hemp, then you know that every part of this plant is worth money. That's why you need the Metra ADS CDC cleaner, because it is ideal for cleaning hemp. Seeds, stems, leaves, and even dust. You can separate it all quickly and efficiently. Our Cyclone dust collector even traps fine foliage and dust. You are well aware that the elevators can dock you for every little thing, run hefty discounts, or even reject your grain due to the presence of more than the permissible norm of the following: broken, cracked grain, especially if it's peas, soy, and other beans, underweight per bushel. Forget about these problems forever. As soon as the Metra ADS and Metra ADS CDC grain cleaner with Cyclone dust collector appears on your farm, it'll improve the quality of your grain and allow you to get the highest possible price on the market, removing everything from your grain that could reduce its price. Follow the link in this video now and leave a request for the purchase of a Metra ADS CDC grain cleaner or for a free consultation. Order a grain cleaner right now, because it will help you improve the quality of your grain quickly and efficiently. It does not require maintenance costs, replacement of parts, cleaning, lubrication, or any special training. It can work with a variety of different grains without the need of detailed setup for each crop. Lastly, the grain cleaner is easily made mobile. It doesn't need any special conditions and is ready to operate the moment you receive it.